This is a live view of the Earth from a distance of 15,000 miles away. About 3 hours and 40 minutes ago, Orion conducted the final major maneuver of its mission, a return trajectory correction burn of its thrusters to further fine-tune its path toward its splashdown site in the Pacific. We'll be heading out to the Pacific shortly for the first in a series of reports from the scene where Orion will be recovered. Splashdown. From Tranquility Base to Taurus Littrow to the tranquil waters of the Pacific, the latest chapter of NASA's journey to the moon comes to a close. Orion, back on Earth. Unofficial splashdown time, 11:40 and 30 seconds a.m. Central Time.